let's look at what's new and improved in Countly 2405. We have hundreds of big and small updates in our newest release. In this video, we'll go over 15 of these updates, including Profile Groups, the new sister of our beloved cohorts, Alerts 2.0, freshly redesigned and awesomely responsive feedback widgets, a very strategic new data populator, and date picker presets, something you didn't realize you needed but will love using. Our first stop, Profile Groups. Profile groups let you create manual lists of user profiles. You can create these lists either by uploading one or more files containing a list of device IDs or internal user IDs of users you want to include in the profile group. You can select users from the user profiles main table and add them to a profile group. You can combine file uploads and manual selections to build your profile groups. Once created, profile groups can be used just like cohorts. You can use your profile groups to manually or automatically send push notifications, to target surveys only to the users in your profile group. Or you can even use them in your queries. Up next, Alerts 2.0. In the latest version of Countly, we reimagined how alerts work and for what. You can choose from a vast variety of data points to get alerted about. You can filter the data points further, only to get notified about relevant updates. And you have access to more configuration options when setting up your alerts. Apart from getting your alerts as emails, you can trigger hooks using your alerts. This would let you notify external systems about important changes in your data. It opens up a whole set of possibilities, such as sending a notification to your team messaging app about critical milestones, or triggering your incident management system based on an unforeseen change in a metric. Jumping on to new survey and NPS widgets. Our survey and NPS widgets have been revamped in a couple of ways. Since we introduced these features almost 4 years ago, we haven't really updated how these are presented to your users. That's why we have modernized the look and feel of both survey and NPS widgets. Furthermore, and even more importantly, these widgets are now fully responsive. Whether mobile, tablet, or browser, we've got you covered by displaying your widgets in the best possible way. Now, let's talk about the new data populator. Data populator plays a vital role in simulating what your data plan will look like once implemented. Add user properties, probabilities to each of the different values, and conditionally correlate properties with each other. Likewise, add your events and views and segments for them together with conditional values for segments just like user properties. To top it all off, define sequences consisting of your events and views, and even conditionally control users with which custom properties should go through the given sequences in what probability. The new version of Countly includes revamped templates for entertainment, B2B SaaS, healthcare, finance, social, and e-commerce sample data sets. You can use these templates to inspire your own tracking strategy or generate data for a demo application to visualize the possibilities in Countly yourself. Our next stop, Date Picker Presets. Date Picker presets let you define custom date ranges that are reusable for you or other users of your Countly dashboard. You can simply create your date preset using the in between, since, and in the last operators, save it, and then access it anywhere you see the main date picker throughout your Countly dashboard. Date presets are very useful for cases like the dates of a particular marketing campaign, dates since your last release, or simply when you just need a custom range, such as in the last 90 days. Now it's time for some of the other updates. Let's do a quick run-through. You can now add user profiles widgets to your dashboards. We have introduced hour and minute granularity for all your date fields in drill and other drill-based queries. Using the Data Manager, you can apply a transformation to copy your event segments as custom user properties. From the Flows main view, you can quickly toggle all your flows. You can now purge your users in bulk from the User Profiles main table. We have added a non-user-facing internal name field for your feedback widgets to help you and your team stay organized. New Contains operator for app version metric and crashes will help you dig into issues with specific app versions more easily. From the comments table of ratings, you can now go to the individual user's profile. Using the consent functionality, you can add terms and/or privacy policies to your survey, NPS, and rating widgets. For the full changelog of all new features and bug fixes in Countly 2405, check out Countly server on GitHub. We hope Countly 2405 makes product analytics even stronger for everyone. Thank you for watching.